Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime, back again with another quick video for you. And today, I got my package from Asurion, and I waited to open it up until I was with you guys. That's how much I love you guys. So remember, smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and follow me along this journey, will ya? So if you haven't seen my past few videos, I received a phone from Asurion about 4 months ago. I had some problems with the USB. I called them. They offered to send me a refurbished phone, and I'll put a link for the video right there. I got the phone, and I had a crack in the screen. The fingerprint sensor was scratched up to hell. It looked like Jerry Rig everything had it. It was all scratched up. It was bad. So then they offered to send me another new phone. They said, we can actually send you a new phone since you've had 2 devices damaged. They sent that phone. I'm living at a new apartment now. It was actually stolen. The first person that I spoke with through customer care told me Asurion would not ship me any more phones. That's all in my other video. If you want to check it out, you're more than welcome to. I'm not going to go through all that again. It's actually rather upsetting. But long story short is they refused to send me any more phones. And when I called this week, they said the same thing to me, guys. They said, we refuse to send you any phones. They said, per the order of the CEO's office of Asurion, we can't send you any more phones. And I was just shocked. I was just like, I felt like a bad guy. I felt like I did something wrong. And I know I didn't, guys. I know I didn't do anything wrong, so I kind of straightened out my back, and I said, I'm going to get a backbone. And I said, can I speak to the CEO's office again? I'm going to try my luck again. And I spoke with a woman named Debra, and Debra, if you watch this video, I want to say thank you. Thank you for using customer service, and thank you for sending me a new device. Whether or not this device is new is besides the point. I haven't opened the box yet. The CEO's office refused to send me another device because the last person I spoke with was very rude to me. They are not in the business of customer service. They're in the business of insurance. And when you're in the business of insurance, people try to pull stuff all the time. And unfortunately, people like me who are having a tough time, get their phones stolen, get sent damaged phones, I get the crappy end of the stick because of what other people do. And I get treated badly on the phone for trying to express myself. I'm trying to express my frustration in a very calm manner. Here I am made to look like, a douche. So they refused to send me any more phones until I spoke with Debra. And Debra, once again, thanks a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this box live, and we're going to see what's in it. Hopefully, it's a new device. It's supposed to be a brand new Galaxy S8 Plus in gray. It doesn't look like it, guys. Oh boy. Okay, so what they sent me was some bootleg headphones, okay? Bootleg headphones. No name brand. A bootleg vehicle charger. No name brand. Some crappy phone case. This has got to be some kind of a joke. I don't even know if this is leather or not. I don't know what this is, guys. So, let's try to open this. Here's your replacement device. Okay, so this is not a new device. It's supposed to be a new device. Well, it is in gray. Okay guys, so I may have overreacted a little bit. The phone has plastic on it, and it does look new. I just, judging by seeing, when you see a phone in this refurbished box and it says it had a rigorous inspection, I get a little nervous because of what I've already been through, so excuse me. But if it was refurbished, I don't think it would have all the plastic on it, and I just don't think they would tell me they were sending me a new one if they didn't. So, like, I have to believe that they sent me a new phone. They're nice enough to send me some accessories. And the phone does not look bad. There's no scratches on the front. No scratches on the back. The USB looks new. So, we are pretty much golden. And then if the phone looks new, I'm fine with it. So this phone is in gray. My phone was in black. In order to get the new phone, they had told me I would have to get gray, and I was okay with that. Now, when they tell me they're giving me a new phone, I did assume that I would get a new box, but I guess I was wrong in assuming that. So I was a little more excited than I actually was when I see the Asurion box. But seeing the actual plastic on the phone and the camera, I do believe that it is a new phone, and I do believe that I should be thankful for getting a replacement phone that is new, even though I've been through all this stuff. So after going through all this crap, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did get a new phone, and I'm going to put it through its test and see exactly, what happens after this. What do I think of Asurion now? I think they need to work on their customer service. I think they need to work on how they treat their customers. Number one, they're not the only insurance company anymore, guys. There's Samsung Care, there's Apple Care, there's many others. They used to be the only people out there, but they're not anymore. So I think they need to work on how they treat people because, simply put, I got treated good sometimes, and I got treated very badly. And whoever I spoke with the first time on the CEO's office line, they treated me like I was the scum of the earth. So, for a $200 deductible for this phone, I'm not going to take a damaged phone, and I don't think any of you guys should either. So if you have any problems whatsoever, make sure you contact your insurance provider, because you have to remember you are the customer. And that's pretty much the message in all my videos. You guys are the customer, and I want you guys to be educated. I want you to be smart, and I want you to stand up for what you believe in. If you believe that you deserve a phone that is damage-free and working, then you call that place and you tell them you are not happy with what you got. And that's pretty much the message of these videos, guys. What I wanted to show you guys was I did in fact get what looks like a new phone from Asurion Wireless. So if you're sticking around from the first few videos, thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate it. You have no idea how grateful I am that you guys are coming and watching my videos. We're over 300 subscribers now, and I'm so thankful. And I don't know how far this is going to go, but with your help, we can really go anywhere. So I'm just really eternally grateful that you guys would like this video, that you guys would subscribe. And really, I just want to create a family, and I want to create a community where we can answer each other's questions, where we can be good to people. And, I just really want to have a community here. And I really want to grow my channel in a positive way. So I just want to thank you guys for supporting me. And thanks for watching the video. And have a great day. Thanks, guys. Later. Okay, guys. Also, I wanted to show you the accessories that Asurion was kind enough to send me. We have a vehicle charger. This is not a name brand charger. It's just a vehicle charger here. It's a black vehicle charger with no markings or anything. It just says Spectre on it. They gave me a home charger. So they gave me a white cord here. This is actually a micro USB. This is not a USB-C that I actually need for the phone. So Asurion, what's up with that? Thank you for the extra accessories, but I need the right cable that goes with the phone. if you're gonna send a cable. I mean, it's cool and everything, but you know. Also, I'll state it again for the video. Switching power mode supply, I'll have to check. I would check right now, but this cable doesn't work for my phone. I'm not sure if this is a fast charger, but when you have a Samsung phone, you should give a fast charger with it. I mean, even if it's a Qualcomm fast charger, you guys used to give those. Those are much more efficient than just giving a regular charger. Now let's move on to this wallet case here. This nice wallet case here has a little belt clip. Has a belt clip right here, and it opens up like this, and it has a magnet. So it looks like the phone can slide in there. And it smells like plastic or leather or pleather or what have you. Nice little throw in. I mean, I didn't ask for this, but thanks guys, appreciate it. And we also have these strange headphones here. They have a silver button for the multifunction button. They have a mini chip bag thing, and cool stuff. Some accessories. And then also they will give you a SIM card, but they do not give you a SIM tool. So without a SIM tool, I would have to go back to my original box, which I'm not sure if I have it. I'll have to get a paper clip or something, but I do appreciate the effort. So I did want to say I do appreciate the effort. I was a little upset at first when I saw the white box and I didn't quite say thank you for the accessories. So you guys didn't have to send anything extra, although I may not have a use for the cable. That's the wrong cable. I did want to say thank you. Thanks a lot, guys.